Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. How to record calls from the WhatsApp, from the normal phone application, from the Viber, Telegram, and other calling apps. So firstly, you need to open the Play Store, then find here in the Play Store Cube ACR application or other else automatically call recorder app. I suggest you to try call recorder Cube ACR because you can use this application completely for free and you don't need to pay for primary features. So wait until this app will be installed. Click open. Next, grant permissions while using the app. Hello. Wait a while, choose enable app connector. Settings will be opened. Then you need to scroll down, find here installed apps, find here Cube ACR app connector and enable it. Hello. Then choose hello. Okay, go it. Hello. And you don't need to provide the location access, so click no thanks and click on the cross in the left top corner. And great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but if you don't have the root access on your device, your calls will be recorded only using the microphone. So if you want to record your voice and the voice of your communication partner, you need to use loud mode when speaking. So then I suggest you to block this application in the RAM. So to do it, you need to swipe from down to up and hold to open recent apps. Then click on the Cube ACR icon, not on the Cube ACR application, but just on the icon. Then choose lock this app. Here you will see the lock icon, and it means that your application will always in your RAM and it will always ready to record calls. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.